Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you some of my latest work which I done on Facebook redesigning. So let's begin with cover page. It's my cover image, and now let's see the login image, login page, something new designed by me. Now let's begin with seeing the profile page. Something cool, and here we go the sign up page with one image created by me, which is a 3D building model which shows Facebook building, helps you connected at one place. And home image, you can see home page. Sidebars are the notifications, feed messages, and the previews will be like this. You can see if you will get notification, it will convert it into red. And 3D emojis, some of this you can see. Sign up image. Hope you will like my new concept design. I will try to bring out some of the tutorial videos. Stay updated.